these that I just said I'm gonna try to see.
So these are what we purchased from Home Depot.
No, we did not. I grew them from seeds, straight from seeds. These my babies, straight from seeds.
Let me see the roots on those from seeds. Look at all those roots. Okay.
Cucumbers. They're gonna grow up on the side of the shed.
Those are still green beans over here.
The green beans over there. And these are some more cucumbers that I just got these solo cups and put the holes in them and put the starter dirt in them, seed starter dirt. That's it. So this could be actually two. This one up. Backfill it. Always reuse your Home Depot pots because this says Beacon Impatient, and obviously this is not a Beacon Impatient. So save these because you can use these for your seeds too, and they come pre-drilled with the holes in them. So yeah, we're not spending a lot of money over here. These ones are cool.
Grab these grow bags from Aldi's.
I think they were like $3.99 or something like that for 3. So I said, well, I'm gonna do grow bags this year in containers because these bunnies and these birds and these other things eat up my stuff. And then sit them when they start getting like an actual watermelon.
What are these?
They cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
It's the same thing.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Plastic cups. You can double the cup so it can have a water reservoir in the bottom. So you cut holes on the side like this, and then when you water it, it can stay watered, like, you know, like this would be the little water catcher. I don't know when you have it on now, so. But we're gonna have some cucumbers, so I can make some pickles, some salads, different kind of pickles, hot pickles, sweet pickles, butter pickles. Yep. Garlic pickles. Those are my favorite garlic ones. Look at those roots. It came through. So I hope I don't have a problem getting it out.
No, that's from seed.
Here we go. Beautiful. Not yet.
Well, it's from a slice of tomato. And that's the onion.
Yeah, that's growing. So kitchen scraps for your garden too. You just gotta be patient. And these were also kitchen scraps, beetroots for our juices, and just cut the tops of them off and put them in some water, and they'll start growing.